how to download and install the ICFLIX application on an iPhone. First, you want to go to your App Store, and here at the top of your screen you can see a search bar. Simply tap on it and you want to type in ICFLIX over here. And if the application is available on your country or if it is compatible with your device, you'll be able to see the ICFLIX application over here, and you can simply tap on Get to install the application. However, if the app is not available on your region or if you are not able to access it through here, you can simply go to your Safari, and here you want to create your new tab, and on the home and on the search bar you want to search for ICFLIX. After that, you want to scroll down a bit and you'll see this ICFLIX channel website. Simply tap on it. After that, you will see a page which will look something like this, and here you want to simply tap on Add App, and after that you'll be able to see these tabs over here. Here you want to type in your email, your password, and simply tap on Sign In to log in into your account and start to use the application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.